back to my channel. My name is TIECE'S, and today I'm going to show you guys how to recreate these mini twists. Listen y'all, it's so easy. I only use a few products. So this would be ideal for people who may want to do a low manipulation style. You can even do this if you have thin hair, if you have type 4 hair. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I achieve this twist. And before I do, make sure you go ahead and like this video, comment, share, subscribe. And let's go and get into this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did majority of my hair. I didn't show you guys what I did before, but I basically just co-washed my hair, and then I'm only using a few products. I'm using my Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner, which is my favorite and my staple. I'm also using my Texture ID Coils Twist Butter. It has sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract. I truly love all of their products. This is like perfect for twist outs, braid outs, twists, like whatever. Any type of style you want to use it for. If you want to like make it really textured or really defined. This is stuff, sis. This is the stuff. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Okay, and then I'm also using my Jamaican black castor oil. My absolute favorite, okay? And I just have a spray bottle handy. So what I basically did, I did not use like a comb or brush for this entire process. So when I wash my hair, I only use my fingers to detangle. And I also, to part my hair, I didn't use any combs, anything. I feel like combs and brushes like snag out your hair. So this is the best choice for me. My hair kind of dried out a little bit. A way to keep your hair like feeling damp, you could either have a spray bottle, or you could use your shower cap and kind of keep your hair tucked away while you're working on a section or a piece of hair, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this little part right here. So I'm gonna go with my spray bottle, and I'm gonna make sure it's really wet. Not too wet where it's like dripping, but damp enough. Okay, and then I kind of like to detangle just a little bit, because like I said, I didn't use any combs or any brushes, but you don't want to make sure that you detangle your hair while it's dry, because it can snag your hair a bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, and it's almost out. I need to buy some more. This is how you know I love this stuff. All right, I just get like a good size. I didn't show you guys, I'm sorry. But I just get like a good amount of size or whatever, and just smooth it in. And then I'm gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm just gonna put, you know, like a good little bit. This is gonna seal in my moisture. Just kind of smooth it in there. And I'm gonna just basically take my fingers, and I'm gonna just part. I kind of just feel for it. Honestly, they're not like perfect parts. Yeah, see? Kind of just feel for it. Made me a little part. And I'm just gonna take my hair, I'm just gonna twist it away. This one is already moisturized and ready to go, and I'm just gonna take a little bit. When I say a little bit, like a little goes a long way with this twist butter. So I just take a little bit. I have so much crap on my hands. I just take a little bit on my fingers and kind of smooth it in a little bit. And I start with my ends, and I work my way up. Since I'm not using the comb, I want to make sure that I'm using my fingers to fill any knots or anything that needs to be further detangled. And I just try to split it as evenly as possible, so that way, you know, I'm not having to take away from any other side of the hair. So try to split it as evenly as possible, and I twist very close. I twist very close to the root, and then I just, you know, do my two-strand twists. Two-strand twists are very easy to do too. And we just work our way down, smoothing it as we go along. All the way down to the ends, and then before I close off the ends, I just coil it like so and let it drop and be with the others. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these right here. I'll go ahead and play these clips a little bit faster, and I'll show you guys a close-up when I get to the top. I just have 2 more twists left to do. So I'm actually gonna let me come a little closer. All right, so now we're close. We like family now. So I have these 2 left to do, and they're starting to get a little bit dry since I had them out. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit with water. It already has all of the other products on there, but I'm just gonna take my butter, my twist butter, and I'm just gonna work my way up. Just gonna tangle it just a little bit, and as you can see, like it already like defines so well. You're gonna take your 2 pieces, all right? And it's just like a regular twist, but you wanna make sure that at the top, when you twist it, you wanna make sure it's tight. So you wanna give it that tension. Kind of helps to keep it neat. And then you just twist, exchanging it one way from the other. As you can see, I still have a little bit more of my hair left to twist, but I'm not gonna go all the way to the end. I'm just gonna take that and I'm just gonna coil it at the ends, like so, and boom. So as you guys can see, it's starting to get pooped up right here. So I'm just going to spray it just a little bit, and then I take about this much of my twist butter, not a lot, because it's very thick, and then I just go from ends to roots. Make sure I get my baby hairs up in there so it's moisturized. Okay, and then I'm going to split it in half. Make sure it's detangled, and then you're going to exchange it, twist, and you're gonna make it very tight. Now, of course, it's not gonna stay tight, but you wanna be as tight as you can be. It's gonna make sure it's as neat as possible. And you're just gonna keep twisting all the way down till you get to the ends. Just like this. Just kind of twist it and then coil it, and boom, and there you go. Oh, she's all done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very easy. Now, these twists will probably last about, I want to say, it lasts me about 2 or 3 weeks. So it really just depends on how well you take care of your hair. So a few tips that you can do to make sure that you take really good care of your twists and that it lasts a lot longer. You can definitely have a spray bottle filled with water and add some conditioner and some, and your favorite oils. and then you'll spray that on your hair at least a couple times out of the week. I spray it every single day so it can give me more of that, you know, that juicy twist, you know, keeps it alive, keep it fresh. And then also, I actually oil my edges and my roots with, I believe it's the Haitian black castor oil, which is really, really good. I've been using it for the last, I wanna say month now, and it's been working really good for me. And also at night when you're ready to go to bed, a couple things you can do is either A, sleep with the silk pillowcase, or is it silk or satin? I think it's silk. Is it satin? One of those. All right, I'll put it somewhere in this video. And then also you want to make sure that you can wear your hair up into like a high ponytail. Very, very light, just loop it around one time. Whichever you prefer, but just make sure that you protect your hair every single night. Now another thing you can do is, this is perfect for if you're trying to trim your ends. If you're like me who don't really care about having even hair, because I don't straighten my hair often, so you can actually do your twist, and there's any, let me come a little closer. If there's any twists, like see these twists, let me see if I can show you guys. See, these twists have like perfect coils at the end, but there's like one, I left it here just so y'all can see it, but I'm gonna cut it after this video. Oh, this one right here, this bad boy. The tips are really dry, and as you can see, like it's really starting to thin out there, and it's not a perfect coil. Like this is the difference. Oh, you guys can see that. It makes it easier for me to trim. It makes it easier for me to see what areas that I need to trim a lot more or a lot less, or don't need trimming at all. So just a little quick tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. I'm gonna catch you on camera. I'm gonna catch you because you over here messing with people's stuff. Leave it alone. Hi, McFlurry. Say hi to the people.